The second task is designing and running data retrieval queries. About each property listing can be divided into three broad areas of information. What do we have now is when we edit the property information, we have a lot of time, a lot of fields. And we can reduce the amount of fields if you need. For example, this status is for client readiness, commission, and so on. These fields are for realtor use. Here is the area for geography, for location, and this is the area for parameters of the property. And here we see all the parameters that you listed in the spreadsheet. We can split that list if you need. Next we have a description for the site, photos of the object, and information about client. This is the real telephone of the client. You can list me the tasks which I have to do. For example, hide one field or add another field or replace the field, and I'll work on it. Next, you write about the filter. Of the objects. So we can go to the filter by clicking the index page, index button. And here we can find the filter button, and this filter is similar, more similar to what you wrote in the document. So we have some list of properties for unique properties, such as price per meter, area of the property, and so on. Also, we have a search by text field as you want keyword search. And if we select some category, we can see other type of fields to the right. But now we don't see that because we have to set up which fields are used for searching. Again, we go to categories settings. For example, let's select a landed category, and here we can set properties for filter. For example, we selected properties to show in the filter, and now we can return to our page with filter, update it, and check. We select landed category, and now we can use that filter. If we select another category, we don't have that additional filter. For example, if we want to add the properties from HDB category to the filters, we go back to the customizing categories, select HDB and set fields to add in the filter. Update the page, click filter, select HDB category, and now we can use that filter. So next, you're writing that the search result is has to present it in the tile and grid view. I have to do that. Task. Any duplication of listings must be shown and highlighted in the initial search result. This is a question, but I'll think about it. Now the system, when you add a new object, it is checking if it is a duplicate or not, and we can set up to not allow to add the duplicate or allow. I offer you to start using the system, and when you will have, for example, two duplications, for example, two groups of duplications, we can think what to do with them. For example, in the scraping, we have the duplication function, which just joins that objects. But I don't know if we need it in the main system list. We have to discuss it.